Say hi.
Hi! We're back! Quick, let's go!
So they're running 15 minutes late on the ice. We're just out here
Giggling.
giggling shenanigans.
Acting like a couple kooks. Lighting is god awful though.
I mean,
No, it's because I have a hat on, that's why.
I look good.
I'm not saying I don't look good, I'm just saying the lighting doesn't look good.
Yeah, get that condom off your head.
Excuse you.
Everyone, hi.
Show her condom hat.
Yeah. Exactly.
Stop it. I'm crying.
I still got the moon boots.
Better get in
Just
there. You're
kidding.
gonna be late.
We got this
Stop.
one. You're gonna be late. You're gonna be late. You're gonna be late. You're gonna be
Hurry,
late.
hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry! Meanwhile,
Oh my
they're
God.
15 minutes late.
Look at Russ. He's not even. He's having a beer
And a ciggy.
and a cigarette.
Just hanging.
You got, yeah, you're gonna gain.
What?
There's a
There's Trevor. There's the beer league bender. Right there. Oh wait, I gotta Venmo him. $40.
It's Christmas!
It's Christmas.
Wow. What would you like for Christmas?
Sit on Santa's lap. You know you want to.
Yes. So what I want this year is...
Yeah, what do you want? Some coal?
All I want for Christmas is you. That was mean. That
that's
was
so
really cold.
I'm just kidding.
Well, that's crazy. All I want is you. So we get each other for Christmas.
Yay, that's the best thing ever.
Oh, that's
Best
cool. Look at these dusters.
When are they gonna open up that snack bar though?
The snack bar?
I love snacks.
We're back here with the Tropics. I was playing at the CAA skates. I don't know who we're playing. It's been a couple weeks since I played. I couldn't play last week. I had work early in the morning. Can't wait to get back on the ice. I need to get my skates sharpened. I can barely stand. It's not good. So if you notice me falling on the ice, that's why. I'm not kidding you. It's really hard to stand on them. I'm gonna throw the GoPros up in the net. Hopefully I can get some good saves. I don't know who's gonna be here. It looks like we have some subs. What else do I say? Shout out to all the beauties out there. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. All the fun things. That's all I got for you guys right now.
What's up? Get back here. What's up, sexy?
What's up? How many do you think I'm gonna let in today?
I'm gonna say 3.
3?
Yeah, 3.
I'm only gonna let in 1.
Okay.
Oh my god, the sexiest goal
shit.
is here.
Yes!
Scared the crap out of me.
Go get him, babe.
Alright, I'll see you guys after. scored. It's 1-1. 4 minutes left in the second period.
Like, why is there always a guy left open when you go like that? Alright. Lock it. Oh my god.
What the hell's that?
Your face? Took one in the face?
That's fucking scary, dude. Come on, Ted.
Bro. Wilsey, I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to do that.
That thing's so perfect. I shouldn't be able to get that back on.
That should've been a goal. I would have saved it, Jeff. Saved that.
Just scored. It's 3-2. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left in the third period.
Last time you went down the
Dude, it's not my fault.
I know it's not. I'm telling you it's mine. Oh my god!
Are you fucking kidding me, Wilsey? Are you serious, Wilsey? Why is it?
Time out! Wait, I want to call timeout, but I want to wait.
Oh my god! How did you not score that?
Dude, I had like 3 more seconds for that camera.
Damn it, Wilsey.
Hey, go straight, make up for it. Right now, no.
I can't believe it.
You're gonna get this right now. Right here. You got this.
Oh, and then that was open.
You got this. Hey, see, it's the perfect timeout. Wait, they scored?
I'll try and get it back to the point. Let's have Wills be on the point and Wills is shooting. And everyone else just go in there.
Fuck yeah. Hey, if they start to come to score, I'll hop on the ice to get that extra man penalty. Gotta keep it close, you know.
I can't believe I didn't say it. Oh,
That
dang.
goal, Jet, was your fault. You weren't
He had
in the
all
net.
the time in
You
the
weren't in
world.
the net, dude.
I thought he was going to go backhand, so I didn't commit to the 5-hole. I should have.
All good, boys.
Good job, you guys. Good job, Trevor.
Blew it.
Trevor's in the
We
house.
blew it.
Good
Wills, you should have
job.
had that.
That's right though.
I know, when I got the third goal, man.
So, how do you think you played today?
I thought I played good. I should have said something to the players though. Every time that there was like an opportunity in front of me, my demon would spread out.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was left dealing with 2 guys in front of the net by myself. I was like, why is this happening? Every time we got a shot on the net, there was no one in front of their net. I'm just saying, I got really mad
And
towards the end.
on the positive side, do you
Positive
think-
side is I feel bad that I hit Wilson in the face. That was a complete accident. I deflected the puck and it hit him in the face, but thank God he's okay. It was a fun game though. Honestly, it was a really fun game, like competitive game.
Yeah, it was good.
I enjoyed it. The positive is it was a good time.
Played really well, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, you played really good.
Yeah. It was a fun game to watch.
Yeah, it was good.
It was a tight game. It wasn't a blowout.
I love you.
Anyway, how does my helmet look on the ice?
Good. Looks so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you tell it looks chrome? Yeah. It's hot. It's hot. It's sexy. I hope everyone has a very nice Merry Christmas. Wishing you all the best in the new year from my family to yours. Thank you for all the support this year. It's meant a lot, and all of you are beauties. And hopefully you get what you want for Christmas this year, because Santa's coming through town.
Yay! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.